So this is the BMW 520d M Sport. Before you switch off because it's just another diesel saloon, let me stop you right there. Because this is one of the most sensibly brilliant BMWs on the market. It's not here to shout, it's here to quietly make everything else look a bit daft. If you're in the market for an executive saloon that does everything quite well, commuting, long motorway drives, the school run, business trips, family life, this is the sort of car that starts making sense very quickly. It's not flashy in an Instagram kind of way, but it's the kind of car that makes your day-to-day noticeably better. Look at it, long bonnet, proper stance, and no ridiculous lighting signatures. And this one's got visibility pack, which means adaptive LED headlights and automatic high beam. So instead of dazzling all the other drivers, it knows what it's doing and it does it for you. It actually lights up the road properly. Revolutionary, right? This is where a saloon beats an SUV. It's lower, lighter and more aerodynamic, which means it handles better, uses less fuel and doesn't drive like your garden shed. These M Sport alloys help, of course, but the real magic is that they just look right. What do you think? Around the back, LED lights, it looks clean, and there's a detachable tow bar, so when you don't need it, it disappears. A rare and expensive addition from new. The boot is huge. Look at that. It's powered tailgate. There's plenty of room in there. Golf clubs, suitcases, prams, no problem. It's definitely a nice feature to have that button to close it for you. Inside, remind you why BMW do it better than most. Black leather, heated M Sport steering wheel, electric seats. Are they both electric? Yeah, both sides electric seats. I find that quite rare these days because it's always an upgrade to have the two. It's calm, solid and reassuring. Down here, you've got proper cup holders, don't get in the way of your gear selector, and there is a cover on them as well. Look at that, press and touch and it closes. Wireless phone charger and a USB port, so that is USB, not USB-C. And I like this like Carmen effect it's got. I love that. All the buttons are actual buttons that press. So rather than, you know, this like weird touchscreen everyone's doing at the moment, they are proper buttons. It's the small details that really make it stand out from the rest. Plenty of storage. Again, there's a USB-C port right in the back here. So the armrest, storage in there. You have got your electronic handbrake and auto hold. Start stop button, look at the dash, the screen's huge, and I love how they've kept all the aircon menu as actual buttons. There is nothing worse than trying to press all the buttons to get your aircon working while driving. Bit of a nightmare, so I do like that. Obviously it's got your SOS button, a lot of these cars have them these days. A tinted rear view mirror there. What else have we got? Cruise control. I feel like these little details, once you have them and you get used to them, you can't go back. Like the heads-up display, something you might not think you need. Once you've had it in one car, you're sorted for life. You're never going to go back. Same with the heated steering wheel. I've got one. I could never not have a heated steering wheel. I do love it. Obviously, your phone buttons on here, volume. On the door, you've got your memory. Obviously, you can change your mirrors from the door. And then as well, ambient lighting. I do believe you can change the colour of the ambient lighting as well. Having a little look on here, you've obviously got all the car settings, so you can check your vehicle status, driving information, service requirements on there. So you can actually see when the last service was as well, which is really, the service history is on the screen. That's nice to know. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you know, all the classics. This has literally got everything. You've got your sat nav on there, media connection. What more do you want? Rear view camera. Oh, it's got, that's cool. I'm turning the volume up. So you can actually, without touching it, turn the volume up. That's really, really cool. Driving mode, Sport, Comfort, Eco Pro. I quite like the feel of the seats. They are quite comfy. They feel a little bit sporty. It's not just your standard like office chair seat, I like to call it. Mileage right now, 54,739. I'm dead on. Good to see the fuel. Quarter of the tank in there, 140 miles. It does have lane assist, park assist. The glove box, let's have a little look at the glove box. Again, you know, decent sized glove box. There is a lot of storage in here. Sun visors, they're the cloth, they're not leather. And you have got a decent sized mirror in there, ladies. So that's nice. I also don't feel like it's really roomy, like I've got a lot of room. Obviously the seat's quite low down for me. Decent sized door bins as well. Like you could put a bottle in here. It's got like a cup holder there. So you've now got like about 4 cup holders in the entire car. And I'm gonna guess there's some in the back too. You've got storage space where you need it. BMW have just done it properly in this car. This is the sort of car where everything just works. It's a good daily driver, which in the real world, that's what we want. Heads-up display, really nice little feature. I feel like it is very well spec'd. Heads-up display is part of the technology pack. I like how it's got the upgraded surround sound. So it's Harman and Kardon, and it has actually got your surround sound, which it's a really nice extra. If you're into music, you want to blast your tunes while going down the motorway, you want those features. This has got the Live Cockpit Professional, which means big screen, clear graphics. You can really tell that from looking at it. And BMW's iDrive system, still one of the best out there. It's good that BMW have kept the controls where you can actually use them. So yeah, this one's got Park Assistant Plus, which is like rear view camera, find a spot. So if you hate parallel parking, this will just do it for you and give you the credit. Let's take a look in the back. So jumping in the back, I am only 5'2", so I'm not the greatest for height. I do feel like the roof is quite low, but it's a saloon, isn't it? So I guess this is better if you've got kids rather than, you know, fully grown people in the back at the end of the day. I do love the seat belts. They've got the M Sport colour on them, so I feel like that just adds a little bit more luxury. It's all leather, 2 USB ports down here. I guess, I'm not quite sure the use of this, but I can put my phone on it. Storage. I like how the storage on the back of the seat, it's like, it doesn't feel cheap, it's quite well made. Again, super deep door bins. Comfort wise, I feel like I'm leaning quite back. I do like it a little bit sitting upright. I'm really weird like that, but I think a lot of people like this comfort. They are really comfy seats. Lots of leg room, like, you know, I've got plenty of room for my legs. Tall people will probably be okay in here. It's just the sort of car that works well for school runs. It works well for, you know, taking the kids out, family trips. It's a comfy car, and it still feels like business executive. I mean, driving side, it'll do about 60 miles per gallon, which is ideal. Euro 6, ULEZ compliant. It might not be exciting, but it is deeply satisfying because it's just the kind of car that is perfect for dailying. And that tow bar, that's where the value lives. Like, these little extras are just what makes it special. Buying the right spec really makes a difference when it comes to buying a car, and I think that's what's important. I feel the only thing that this one's missing, pan roof. But it's just a nice car overall. This is the sort of BM people want, and it's why it holds its value, you know, better than most cars do these days. Compared to its rivals, like the E-Class or the A6, I just think it drives better. It's a lovely car to drive. Let's go check under the bonnet. I like how as well, it automatically locks and unlocks as you walk around with the key. That's a nice feature. So if you forget to lock it, or you're one of those people that forget to lock your car, this just does it for you. Let's get under here. It hasn't got one of those daft things you've got to find. It literally just opens. I love that. So it's the 2-litre 4-cylinder diesel, and it is a mild hybrid. Does about 190 horsepower and 400 newton meters of torque. Can we complain? It's paired with BMW's 8-speed Steptronic gearbox. BMW uses it because it works. It's smooth, responsive when you need it. It just knows what it's doing, and that's the kind of thing you want in your daily car, right? So yeah, we can't really complain about this one. So you're on a car that's quietly efficient, comfortable, and perfect for most circumstances of daily life. A BMW 520d is probably going to be the car for you, and one as well spec'd as this could be hard to come by. It's a thinking person saloon, and quite frankly, that is why it works so well. And the good news is, this one's for sale right now on motorkiwi.com. So make it yours and get your hands on it, because I would not want to let this go. What do you think?